Okay, Science Day 2. Use the word bank and the pictures of the planets to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. Some words may be used more than once. That's very important. Here's the word bank. Number 1. The names of the 4 inner planets in order from closest to furthest from the sun. So some of you might just know this answer already. But if you don't, or you just want to double check, let's go up to this picture right here. So the 4 inner planets from closest to furthest. So we know it's going to be these first 4, and we'll just go in order. So closest is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars. So go back to number 1. We would type in Mercury and Venus. What? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The inner planets are all blank than the outer planets. So part of what we can do is just pick a word and see if it would even make sense. So for example, let's pick rings. The inner planets are all rings than the outer planets. That does not make sense. So there's actually only one word on here that would make sense to fit this sentence and make it grammatically correct. And that would be this word right here. The inner planets are all denser than the outer planets. The inner planets have no blank and only a few blank. So again, I'm just looking. The inner planets have no rocky. No, that doesn't make sense. The inner planets have no moons. Well, Earth is one of the inner planets, and we have a moon. So what about rings? The inner planets have no rings. Let's go back up to this picture. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. I don't see any rings. So I would say the inner planets have no rings and only a few moons. Okay. So I did about half of the problems for you. I'll do one more. The surfaces of the inner planets are blank, not gaseous as on the outer planets. So we want something that's like the opposite of gassish. So let's see. Sun, no. Axis, no. Mercury, no. Denser, no. Rocky. Rocks are solid. Gaseous is like, gas. So that would make sense. So let's put the surfaces of the inner planets are rocky, which is true, right? Earth is rocky. Okay. So go ahead and fill out the last few questions by using the word bank and the pictures. Good luck.